The Solutionix D700 professional scanning system is designed to scan small, complex items with accuracy and precision. This high-quality, high-speed scanner is calibrated to meet the level of detail required by both industrial and non-industrial users. The D700 was designed for maximum convenience and portability. It can easily be assembled and relocated for efficiency and ease of use. The automatic calibration wizard will guide you through a convenient, user-friendly process that maximizes accuracy and puts the user's mind at ease. Objects can be scanned simply and efficiently with a single click of a mouse, while another mouse click actively synchronizes the model and the camera view, allowing the user to navigate to any position and add more scans where required. Dual cameras and the 2-axis rotational arm allows users to perform multi-angle scans. The D700 is optimized for scanning small, complex geometries, making it the perfect scanner for quality inspection, analysis, reverse engineering, and 3D print applications. The included Easy Scan software guides users through an intuitive 3-step process for effortless 3D scanning. The Solutionix D700 Advanced Blue Light Scanner. For more information, visit our website at www.digitalscan3d.com.